Hi everyone, this is Gio and welcome to Aldani Customs. So essentially the main goal of this YouTube channel, right, and the social media is about to show you, to bring you some commissions, some installs and why not some reviews of random hilts that maybe came across to my desk at the moment. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, okay? I need to say something before I start. I need to offer you an apology because my English is not the best one. It's not very fluid, but I will try to do my best to explain myself. Okay? So, yeah, let's begin, shall we? So, do this is the first time that I'm, recording a demo install video, right? I was considering to bring, a special guest for a special occasion, right? And I have to say that this one makes me feel so happy, but also so proud for the guys that work together as a team in this run. And these guys probably are my best friends in this community, my closest friends, definitely. And I'm talking about Nick over Starfal Sabers, I'm talking about Gustavo over Laredo Sabers, and also I'm talking about Christian Cruz. So these three guys did an excellent job with this run. And so, yeah, let me introduce you Ascension. So, as I mentioned before, this is a collaboration between Starfall Sabers and Laredo Sabers. This is the kind of vision or version that Nick has in his mind about what if Vader was this kind of supreme leader? What if there is no emperor, right? So, yeah, this probably should be Vader's hilt. And it feels so good in their hands, right? Very good looking hilt. It feels fantastic in their hands. All this main body was made with aluminum with some accents in copper right here, which is the card activation and this kind of lens cover, right? So, amazing work, definitely. Also, I mentioned that Christian Cruz collaborated with Gustavo and Nick with the art design, right? So, Christian designed, the box for this one, but also the plaque. And the plaque is something else. I like these little details. Look at this plaque. This one has this kind of foil that if you put it in the light, you will see red tones. Okay, so yeah, very good looking hilt and a very good looking plaque with a very good looking box design. So my client was able to pick the clean version of Ascension. To be honest, I prefer this version instead of the weathering version, right? But yeah, I love this one. I love this one. Also, my client requests a commission using a lead chassis designed by Gustavo over Laredo Sabers. So let me show you what I'm talking about. The chassis was printed with PLA carbon fiber and with some brass parts. I'm talking about the crystal chamber, the battery cover. In this moment it's not glued, right? But eventually before shipping, I will glue it. And also this section, a portion for the switches, right? Very good looking hilt, very good looking chassis. So here we have a 28 millimeter speaker from Smuggler's Outpost. We have an 18650 battery. We have a kill switch. We have a Profit 2.2. We have this PCB with 10 pixels. And also we have a real quartz and a stock MPXL connector. So yeah, let's test this guy.
He will join us or die, Master.
Okay, phenomenal chassis. So for my client, let me show you how to operate this one. So first things first, you need to align your buttons with the card activation. Yep. Very gently push all the way up until this one stops, and eventually you will screw again your pommel section. So I have to say that all the config file with the sound fonts are related with, Darth Vader, Anakin Skywalker, Luke Skywalker, and why not another ones from, I guess, Plagueis and, the Supreme Leader. But yeah, anyways, let me show you what I'm talking about. Very loud. I mean, this is a very loud hilt.
Supreme Leader, you ever hear the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise?
So let me put in a blade, right? So this hilt allows a blade socket for a 7/8 inch blade. Okay. In this moment, I don't have any stubby or chunky blade test, so I will use one of mine. And oh man, this is super loud.
And who might you be?
Phenomenal hilt, have to say it again.
I suggest you try it again. What is it? Your father's lightsaber. This is the weapon of a Jedi Knight.
One more.
Anakin.
So yeah, essentially this is the commission that I was able to install, right? So I hope that you, my final customer, enjoyed this one. This is a very good looking hilt, I have to say it again. Yeah, so please let me know if you have any kind of comments or suggestions or questions. Feel free to ask me. Yeah, bye bye.